Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this session, we will discuss what is localization testing. So I can give you one example so you will understand what is localization testing. If we will go for the Amazon application, right, here you will get to select your language. Understood, right? So everybody will not understand English. The people, some, people go in the rural area, so they can only understand their language only, right? Local language only. Understood, right? So like we have a Marathi. If I will select to Marathi, and we having the many modes here, you can see. So as per the you know requirement, the customer will go and they will change here, here language. So what happened? The product will display their language, right? So these all the features is required, right? So this all the testing we will do as well, right? So that is called your localization testing. So what is localization testing? Localization testing is the software testing process for checking the localized version of product for that a particular culture or local setting. The areas affected by the localization testings are UI and content. So the content description and all of you will see, and the product description, everything will be displayed in that language only. Okay. Now next is what is positive testing. Name itself we have a positive testing. So in the positive testing only we can give the positive value. We can test, that is called also happy flow. Okay. We are not giving any negative value, only we are going to give the positive value. Okay, means valid username or password, I can say. So positive testing is the type of testing that can be performed on the system by providing the valid data as an input. It checks whether the application behaves as expected with positive inputs. This test is done to check the application that does what it is supposed to do. Okay. So we have a guys many example for this. So I have given some example. There is a text box in an application which can accept only numbers. Okay. Entering the value up to this value will be acceptable by the system, and any other value apart from this should not be acceptable. Okay. To do the positive testing, set the valid input like 0 to this number and check whether the system is accepting the values. Okay. So simple thing, we can check the what the expected value we have, that value only we can pass. So here we are only test the positive flow. Okay. So next is what is negative testing. So that is the vice versa. So we can give the invalid input. Okay. So why we do negative testing, right? So here we have to also test negative data will not accept, and if you are passing negative data or negative value, then it must be show some what some proper message as well. Understood, right? So sometime you guys, or even we have used many application. So sometime what will happen now, we have a registration form. When you are going to enter some value, it is not accepting and they are not giving the proper message. Okay. Your users are not able to understand. So this all the things we have to take care while doing the negative testing. Okay. So negative testing is a variant of testing that can be performed on the system by providing invalid data as an input. It checks whether the application behaves as expected with negative input. There is to test application does not do anything that it is not supposed to do. For example, negative testing can be performed by entering the character capital A to Z, small a to Z. Either the software system should not accept the value or else it throw as an error message for this invalid data input. And that should error message is what? Error message is proper, otherwise user will not able to understand. Okay. Okay, so what is pilot testing? So next is this all the question they will ask you in the interview, and we have done many types of the testing we have already discussed. So end of the video, I will show you the complete playlist where you will get what is pilot testing means. What happened, like I want to, I want one software where I can sell my course, but I don't know about of the application. So I will contact to the software company, and I will have some appointment with them. So what I have given the requirement from them, then they said after 1 week your application will become ready to use this. So these guys have developed this application and they have given to me. Okay, but that application is not completely developed, mean that is not finalized. So what they have given, use this and give me your feedback how it is. You want any improvement, or the something is not going to work properly, or I want to add some more features over there, right? The product is not finalized and they have given to users to use this. Okay, that is called pilot testing only. I having the many example for the pilot testing, guys. Like I can give you one more example. You're going mall, right, and you want to purchase some jeans, right, so you will trial your jeans, right? Accordingly you can finalize your jeans, right, or your clothes, whatever you're going to buy, right? Before before trial you are not going to finalize, you have to trial, right? You have to trial your clothes and all, right? Understood, right? So same thing we can apply with the software as well. Okay, so that is called pilot testing. The product is not finalized and product is not uh, released to use to the users, in not in the production, but they have given to users to give some feedback and enhancement to do. Okay, so it verify the major functionality of the system before going to the production, right? This testing is done exactly between the UAT and production. Okay, so this testing we do between the UAT and production. Pilot testing acts as a trial run to validate the functionality, performance, and user experience. Pilot testing is concerned with installing a system on the customer side, user simulated environment for the testing against the unit and regular use. Most common method of the testing is continuously test the system to find out to the big area. So these weaknesses are the sent back to the development team as a bug report, and these bugs are fixed in the next build of the system. So I have given one more example, right? So uh, they have given to me to test my application, and I have collected many feedback and I have give to them. So what they will do, sir, they will ask, they will they will take my collect my feedback and they will discuss with the dev team, and again they will fix everything, then they will hand over to me, right? Understood, right? So the same thing, I have written the weak point or any enhancement as per the feedback, they will give the another build to me. Okay, why to do pilot testing? So simple thing, right? It will help to check if your product is ready for a full scale implementation. It will help to make the better decision and allotment of the time and resources. It will help to measure the success of your program. Okay, and it will give the team a chance to uncover, practice the activity, and they will be using the during the usability testing. Okay, so this is why we do the pilot testing, right? So that's all in this session, guys. So if you are new in the channel, so you can just type Ingenious TechHub. Okay, if you will go in this channel, so I have uploaded many video and you will get many playlist here. So if you will go in this playlist, so till now I have uploaded 21 video for manual testing. If you are new in testing, or if you want to start your career in testing, you can just go from the starting. You will learn many things from here. Apart from that, you will get many things in my channel. Okay, so we have a real-time interview question and answer. Okay, so many of them you are a manual tester and you are planning to switch in the automation, but you don't know how to work in the real time. So I have already created the complete playlist. What is your challenges you have to face? What is your day-to-day activity if you are in your automation project? So we'll get many things here, so you can just go through that. And I have also uploaded real-time top level of the interview question already asked in the interview. So this playlist will help you to what type of the question they are asking in the top level of the product based company, service based company, and some of the startup company as well. Okay, so you can just go through that. And if you want to learn parallelly automation, right? So actually many of them are struggling to learn the automation, and many of them you guys already done the courses, but you are not confident to write the code or write the script as per the project requirement. So I have guys designed a course here. So this course will help you, okay, to learn from the very basics. If you don't know anything, okay, just you can go and you can watch this demo video. Okay, so you will get some demo videos here and you can just go and you can watch it. If you are interested to buy, then you can just click on the buy. The best thing, you will get here 50% discount. So you can just enroll this course as soon as possible. If you are interested, we having the 50% discount. Okay, okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and support the channel, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Coming days we will upload many new videos. Okay, again thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.